Good day, everyone. I am Kim Julie Piten from B2H2, and today I'll be reciting the 17 regions of the Philippines together with the provinces and capitals. Region 1, Ilocos. Ilocos Norte, Capital Lawag City. Ilocos Sur, Capital Vegan City. La Union, Capital San Fernando City. Pangasinan, Capital Lingayen. Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Batanes, Capital Basco. Cagayan, Capital Tugigaraw City. Isabela, Capital Ilagan. Nueva Vizcaya, Capital Bayumbong. Quirino, Capital Cabarugis. Region 3, Central Luzon. Aurora, Capital Baler. Bataan, Capital Balanga City. Bulacan, Capital Malolo City. Pampanga, Capital San Fernando City. Nueva Ecija, Capital Palayan City. Tarlac, Capital Tarlac City. Zambales, Capital Iva. Region 4A, Calabarzon. Batangas, Capital Batangas City. Cavite, Capital Trece Martires City. Laguna, Capital Santa Cruz. Quezon, Capital Lucena City. Rizal, Capital Antipolo City. Region 4B, Mimaropa. Marindoki, Capital Buak. Occidental Mindoro, Capital Mumbarao. Oriental Mindoro, Capital Calapan City. Palawan, Capital Puerto Princesa City. Romblon, Capital Romblon. Region 5, Bicol. Albay, Capital Legazpi City. Camarines Norte, Capital Dait. Camarines Sur, Capital Pili. Catanduanes, Capital Verac. Masbate, Capital Masbate City. Sursogon, Capital Sursogon City. Region 6, Western Visayas. Aklan, Capital Calibo. Antique, Capital San Jose. Capiz, Capital Rojas City. Guimaras, Capital Jordan. Iloilo, Capital Iloilo City. Negros Occidental, Capital Bacolod City. Region 7, Central Visayas. Bohol, Capital Tagbilaran City. Cebu, Capital Cebu City. Negros Oriental, Capital Dumaguete City. Siquijor, Capital Siquijor. Region 8, Eastern Visayas. Biliran, Capital Naval. Eastern Samar, Capital Borongan City. Leyte, Capital Tacloban City. Northern Samar, Capital Catarman. Southern Leyte, Capital Maasin City. Western Samar, Catbalogan City. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Zamboanga del Norte, Capital Dipolog City. Zamboanga del Sur, Capital Pagadian City. Zamboanga Sibugay, Capital Ipil. Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Bukidnon, Capital Malaybalay City. Camiguin, Capital Mambahaw. Lanao del Norte, Capital Tubod. Misamis Occidental, Capital Oroquita City. Misamis Oriental, Capital Cagayan de Oro. Region 11, Davao. Compostela Valley, Capital Nabuntoran. Davao del Norte, Capital Tagum City. Davao del Sur, Capital Dagu City. Davao Oriental, Capital City of Mate. Region 12, Sacsargent. Cotabato, North Cotabato, Capital Kidapawan City. Sarangani, Capital Alabel. South Cotabato, Capital Coronadal City. Sultan Kudarat, Capital Isulan. Region 13, Caraga. Agusan del Norte, Capital Cabadbaran City. Agusan del Sur, Capital Prosperidad. Dinagat Islands, Capital San Jose. Surigao del Norte, capital Surigao City. Surigao del Sur, capital Tandag City. Arm Region, Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Basilan, Capital Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Capital Marawi City, Maguindanao, Capital Sharif Agwak, Maganoy, Sharif Kabunsuan, Capital Dato Odin Sinsuat, Sulo, Capital Hulo, Tawi-Tawi, Capital Panglema, Sugala, Balimbing. CAR Region, Cordillera Administrative Region. Abra, Capital Benguet, Apayao, Capital Cabugao, Benguet, Capital La Trinidad, Ifugao, Capital Lagawi, Kalinga, Capital Tabok, Mountain Province, Capital Bontoc. National Capital Region. Cities: Caloocan, Las Piñas, Makate, Malabon, Mandaluyong, Manila, Marikina, Muntinlupa, Navotas, Parañaque, Pasay, Pasig, Quezon City, San Juan, Taguig, Valenzuela, and the municipalities of Pateros.